And when Anu invited me, I was very excited, because for me, in India has always been a pool of wisdom, with this ancient wisdom that has been there for thousands of years, Buddhism, Ayurveda, and then also the modern science that is within India. Sorry. Because the biggest eye clinic worldwide, I think, is in India, the Anu-Mehta eye clinic. It's got 300 or 400 beds. So the Indian ophthalmology has got a very good reputation worldwide. Even Western doctors come to India to get trained how to operate cataract. And as Anu said, I'm also in Meta Health, I'm a master trainer, and my goal is to bridge the ancient wisdom with the modern science, and then to find out what can we get out of it as a diagnostic tool, and what we can use it to transform, to heal. And the eye is just more than seeing. There is this saying that the eyes are the mirror to the soul. And when we in Meta Health, Meta Vision are talking about the eyes, is on the one side the optical aspect, and on the other side it's also the spiritual context, a new way of seeing myself. Because how I see the world, I see myself. So my vision is already saying a lot about myself. And you're welcome to the visit. And I'm really delighted to see so many people here. Also a young person here. That's the first time that I'm seeing such a young person. Thank you very much, you're welcome. That you're already interested in that young age, that I really find fascinating. And before I start, I want to say something about Anu-Mehta. It was at our conference, annual conference of Meta Health, and it was, I think it was 4 years ago or 3 years ago?
4 years ago.
4 years ago in Tallinn, Estonia, that I first talked to her. And she said, Dr. Kwesi, I've got some eye clients in India, can I ask you a question? Yes, I gave an answer, and then we also Skyped, and 1 year later at the next conference in Denmark, she came back to me and told me, Dr. Kwesi, what you told me really helped me. I could talk to the clients and they could overcome their eye problem. And I was really, really impressed. Then I told her, with what you have told me, also how you ask the questions and how you deal with your clients, you should become a master trainer for Meta Health. And it was in 2012 in Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt. Then she became the first Meta Health master trainer for India. So she's really doing a very, very good job. She's a very sophisticated lady, and I'm really glad that she invited me to talk about the eyes. And I want to share with you, that means I don't want to stay here all the time and just talk. I want it to be interactive. You are here because some of you might be health practitioners yourself, and some might be here because they've got questions about their own eyes. Okay? So we will do also a demonstration that you can come, I've got this and this eye situation, what can you tell me about it, and what can be done, so that you get a really live experience. And I also want to share with you which tools are integrated